Today I'm at my new listing right by the Lakeland Regional Hospital and Watson Clinic in North Lakeland, and this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and it has been completely renovated inside and out, so let's check it out. When you first walk in, you can't help look at the beautiful luxury vinyl flooring, and look how open this floor plan is. Down here is a study or another, it could be a dining room. And what I love about this room, it has that side entrance to the outside. The bathroom has been completely renovated for this bedroom. And what's neat is this is a split plan bedroom. So this is on the other side of the home. This bathroom has a shower and it has all these built-in shelving for your linens. Okay, on all the way at the other end of the home, you have your primary bedroom. Again, look at the beautiful luxury vinyl flooring. Look at all that natural light. This is a good size primary bedroom. And look at the double closet there. And then this bathroom was all renovated as well. This one has a tub shower combination. Now let's check out this huge backyard. This is on a double lot. You could see that the vinyl exterior was all done. Look at this pad for a shed if you needed to. The whole backyard is all fenced in. And you can see here that there is just plenty of parking for RVs and boats and whatever toys you have here. Look at all this space. And then there's a carport, and then there's also a 1-car garage. If you're interested in seeing 602 East Lowell Street, contact Elizabeth Willers with Sirhan.